Let's talk taxes. Boring? Maybe. But expensive? Definitely, especially if you mess it up. So the big question is, should you handle your own taxes or pay someone else to do it? Let's break down the real pros and cons of filing your own taxes versus hiring a tax pro, especially if you're young, broke, or just getting started with money. This could save you hundreds of dollars or a major headache later. Pro number 1, it's free or almost free. When you do your taxes yourself, with tools like TurboTax, FreeTax USA, or even IRS Free File, you might pay nothing. That's huge if you're living paycheck to paycheck or just starting out. If your taxes are simple, W-2 income, maybe one job, it's not rocket science. You answer some questions, follow the prompts, and you're done. Con number 1, it's easy to miss something important. Let's be real. Tax forms are confusing. And if you 1. Had a side hustle. 2. Got unemployment. 3. Used crypto. 4. Paid student loan interest, then it gets messy, fast. Missing deductions, forgetting to report income, or typing one wrong number. Could mean 1. A smaller refund. 2. An audit. 3. Or money left on the table. If your taxes aren't simple, doing them yourself can cost more in the long run. Pro number 2, you learn about your money. Doing your own taxes forces you to understand 1. What you earned. 2. What you owe. 3. What you can deduct. 4. And how the system actually works. That's powerful. Because when you know your numbers, you can make better money decisions all year long. Con number 2, it's time-consuming and kinda stressful. Even with software, taxes can take hours. And if you're already stressed with work, bills, or burnout, this might push you over the edge. One small mistake equals IRS letter equal full-blown panic. If your mental health is already stretched thin, hiring someone might be worth the peace of mind. Pro number 3, you stay in control. You know exactly what's being submitted. No guessing, no wondering, no overpaying a stranger who doesn't know your life. It also builds confidence, like, hey, I actually did my taxes. And that's a win. Con number 3, you might miss out on more complex benefits if you're 1. Self-employed. 2. Freelancing. 3. Paying for education. 4. Caring for family. Then a tax professional might help you find deductions and credits you'd never discover on your own. And if they save you more than they charge, that's a win. So, should you do your own taxes? Here's the short version. Do them yourself if 1. You have one job. 2. No dependents. 3. No investments or side hustle. 4. And you want to save money. Hire a pro if 1. You have multiple income streams. 2. Bought a house, moved states, had major changes. 3. You're self-employed or freelance. 4. You want every possible deduction without the stress, and if you're not sure, do them yourself first, then pay a tax pro to check it. Some even offer a review-only service for cheaper. Drop A if you've ever done your taxes solo. Drop A if you'd rather let a pro handle it. Subscribe for more Real Talk finance content. No jargon, no flexing, just clarity. Because understanding your taxes means owning your money. And owning your money, that's where freedom starts.